Hi everybody, I'm Angad Gurung and I'm a BHM first semester student at KFA, and today we'll be preparing a deviled egg. It's a very classic and easy to make appetizer and it's perfect for the parties and snacks. So let's begin. So to prepare the deviled egg, there are some ingredients we need, and they are English mustard, some salt and a paprika, mayonnaise and freshly chopped chives. Firstly, we'll boil the egg for the 10 minutes until they are hard boiled. We'll pull it on the ice water and peel it and slice it in half lengthwise. Now we'll peel the egg. While preparing the egg, we should keep in mind that the egg shouldn't be runny and it should be hard boiled. Now for the second step, we are going to cut the egg in the half in lengthwise. After cutting the egg, we should scoop out the yolk to another bowl. Make sure that you don't damage the white part. Do same with the another egg. After that, we'll add mayonnaise in it. Mustard. Pinch of salt. And some paprika to enhance the color and flavor. Now we'll mix it until it's smooth. Okay, now as the mixture is done, now we are going to fill it on the egg white. After that, we can sprinkle some freshly chopped chives on top of it for the garnishing, which also gives freshness to it. And yeah, we have done making the devil's egg. So don't forget to give it a try and impress your family. And the interesting part is it will only take you 15 minutes to prepare this dish. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.